How to lock apps on OnePlus. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. Click on Search button at the top right. Then search App Locker. Click on App Locker. Again, click on App Locker. In here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. You will need to add your phone lock screen password. Then click on Add Apps. After that, you will find all your apps pop up. Click on the app you want to lock. Then go back. Your app will be locked. It will be locked as your lock screen password. You can also turn on hide notification content to hide notification content. And this is how to lock apps on OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.